Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the vibrance function on your selfies on the Facetune application to enhance colors. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select a picture that you want to edit. After that, tap on the retouch button down below and slide to the right side of the screen until you find the vibrance option. Tap on it. Now zoom in and select relevant parts that you want to enhance. For example, your lips, your cheekbones, your eyes, and use this scale down below to adjust it to your selfie. Here you can see the result, how it looks like. That's how you can enhance the beautiful color of your lips and the cheekbones as well. So if you're satisfied with the result, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.